Hey everybody, this is the 7th video in a playlist of pre-calculus final exam review videos. There's a playlist to correspond with this, and this time we are doing the following equation to solve log of the quantity 18 minus 2x equals ln e. So let's dive in. How are we going to solve this? Well, for starters, I have two different logs, one on each side of the equation. We could do something called change of base formula, but that's not really necessary right now because ln of e is really saying log base e of e, which is really asking you e to what power equals e. And that e is to the first. So what does question mark equal? 1. So ln e is 1. Do we all know that? God bless. I hope we know that. Or whoever bless. Let's go. So 1. That is going to make things tons easier. Now we have log. This log has an invisible base 10. Common log. It's implied. We don't have to write it. If it makes you happy, you can write it. Log base 10 of 18 minus 2x equals 1. Now we're going to, whenever you're solving a logarithmic equation, you will likely end up using exponential in some way or capacity. Not always, but many times. So this over here will be b to the y equals x. So that means 10 to the 1 equals 18 minus 2x. Some of you may do it a different way. I could show you that right after this one. Obviously that's just 10 equals 18 minus 2x. I'm going to subtract 18 over. That gives me negative 8 equals negative 2x. I'm going to divide by negative 2. That gives me x equals 4. Log does not have a domain of all real numbers like exponential, so we often do need to check if it ends up working. If I fill in a 4 right there, 2 times 4 is 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 is the base, and 10 is what we're taking the log of. 10 to the power is 10. The answer is 1. Boom. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So that does work. The answer is 4. Some of you, some of you would choose to kind of take this part I noticed on the last assessment and you rewrite it log base 10 of 18 minus 2x, and then you rewrite your right side, very cute, as log base 10 of 10, because you're like, okay, well 10 to what power is 10? 1. I'm going to replace 1 with log base 10 of 10. Knock your socks off. Go wild. Then we can do the 1-to-1 property, ignore the log base 10, and you are left with 18 minus 2x equals 10, which is quite literally the same equation as that right there, and you will get the same answer. So there you go. If you're happy and you love it, thumbs it up. Less, not so much confused, thumbs it down. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, and requests can go in the comment section. Go ahead and check the description box for more links to videos like this or in general pre-calc review, or check the thumbnail to the playlist at the end of the screen, at the end of the video on the screen right now. And that's it for now. Adios.